To use voice typing on a Redmi Pad 2nd generation, start by opening settings, and now you will have to navigate for additional settings, and right now just go to the languages and input and start by entering manage keyboards. First of all, make sure that you turn on Google voice typing by using this switcher, but also open it over here, and here you can make some changes. So first of all, if you want to use offensive words, you will have to unselect this switcher. You will have to select also the language that you want to use. So in my case, it will be English from United States. It's not available over here, so I'm gonna pick this one from Canada. I'm gonna click save. And over here, we can also use that in offline mode. So as you know, the voice typing works only in the online mode. If you want to use it also without internet, you will have to click to add a language and simply download language pack to be able to use this in the offline mode. Also, make sure that you switch into mobile and the Wi-Fi because if you are connected to the mobile data, you will be not able to download it until you switch or connect to the Wi-Fi. Over here you can also find some other options. You can check downloaded languages. As you can see, in my case it's still downloading. Next we have to go back and open Gboard, and over here go to the voice typing. Also make sure that you turn it on, just like this. And now if you want to use the voice typing, all you have to do is just to open your keyboard and click on this icon and say something. It will automatically fulfill the poll that you actually select.